Okay, so today's question is longest balance subarray part 1. So you are given an integer array norms. A subarray is called balance if the number of distinct even numbers in the subarray is equal to number of distinct odd numbers. Okay, so simply a subarray is called balance if the number of distinct odd numbers in that particular subarray and the number of distinct even numbers in that particular subarray both should be equal, and we have to return the length of longest balance subarray. So let's check the constraints are only till 1500, so we can simply go for the brute force here. So let's try to code this. So n is equal to len of nums. We can set our result value at currently as 0. Now simply traverse the loop. So for I in range n, we can create a dictionary here. So dict1 is equal to this. Dictionary will help us to know whether a particular value is unique or not in that particular subarray. Now we can give the track of even is equal to 0, odd numbers, total odd numbers is equal to 0. Now create a one more loop. So for j in range it will start from the I and go till n. Now first we will check if this particular value we have got is unique or not. So if nums of j not in dict1, if nums of j not in dict1, so we will check now if the nums of j even is even or odd. So if nums of j modulus 2 is equal to 0, we can simply increment our even count. Even plus is equal to 1, else it's odd, so odd plus is equal to 1. And now what we can do, we can simply mark this as not unique. So dict1 of nums of j, we can simply mark this as any number. We can give 1. It shows that it's now if we get some values it is not unique as it is already in the dict1. And now finally we can check if odd is equal to even. If the count of odd and even numbers are equal, then we can simply take out the length of the subarray and compare it with the result. That we can do by single line. Result is equal to max of result comma what will be the size of the subarray j minus I plus 1, and finally we can return the result value. Now let's try to run this. Yeah, so test cases have been passed. Let's try to submit this and check. Yeah, so our code has passed successfully. Thank you for watching.